Hello and welcome back to another weather video. Today we are still talking about the Atlantic hurricane season. This time not just about Tropical Storm Nicholas, which is about to make landfall in Texas, but also two other systems that may have some very significant impacts either in the US or in other areas of land. So let's start off with a quick update on Nicholas. So as of the time of recording this, Nicholas is about to make landfall right on the coastline of Texas at about 70 miles per hour. Then the storm is going to start to slow down and stall out and weaken as it moves right along the coastline of Texas into Louisiana. Now a tropical depression that is Wednesday and goes post-tropical on Thursday. Now, we do have that flooding potential, but now it is less. Less rain total, 6 to 10 inches still possible for the coastline of Texas and Louisiana, but most areas will see 4 to 6 inches. Flash flooding potential is still moderate to high across most of the region, and that is across multiple days. Tuesday morning, Wednesday morning, and Thursday morning. There are the separate risks. So let's go back to the home page here. We have two disturbances. Disturbance number one, which is probably going to form first, which is a wave off of Africa, which is showing signs of development and does have a 40% chance of formation in 48 hours, 80% chance in 5 days. The other disturbance is in the Bahamas, and is just an area of low pressure that's expected to form, but has a 10% chance of formation in 48 hours and a 50% chance in 5 days. So let's just go through here very quickly through what is going to go on with Nicholas here. So this is the GFS, and we're actually going to move to the NAM3. So here is Nicholas, and you can see here that it is moving toward the Texas shoreline, and it does stay fairly close to the coast, allowing it to bring in more Gulf moisture without really weakening that much, at least off the coast. So you can see that on land the storm is extremely weak, but right along the coastline those showers and thunderstorms are still very strong in relative to the rest of the storm, and that does continue even when it's moving through Louisiana until it starts to move north throughout the day on Thursday. So up until this point here, when the model run does end, total accumulated precipitation here could see areas of 6+ inches right around the Houston area and along the coastlines of both Texas and Louisiana. Now we're going to go to the GFS and go to the North Atlantic and back to here. So after Nicholas, the next storm that really starts to form up is that wave off of the African coastline. We start to see it really start to develop. Meanwhile, the system from the Bahamas starts to ramp up here and just passes by the northeast. No low pressure does form, but there is still a possibility that something does form there. Now the tropical wave is starting to strengthen and could become a hurricane and barrel into Bermuda. This is at 965 millibars, so that is a pretty significant storm. Then it gets rerouted into Newfoundland, so at least, Nova Scotia, Newfoundland, Labrador, those areas. There's also another system over here which has maybe a shot at becoming something, but it really doesn't develop as it's right on the coattails of this other system here. But there is a chance. So comment in the comment section down below, which of these systems do you think will form first? Disturbance number 1 or disturbance number 2? But that is all I have for today. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like, subscribing, and hitting the bell. That's all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.